If you have Indian passport, you can visit these countries via visa, that is Bhutan. Nepal. Indonesia. Fiji. Haiti. How old were you when you realized? When you realized that planes don't have shadow. When you realized that you cannot make sound if you close your nose. When you realized that the Twitter bird actually has a name, Larry. When you realize that when you eat pineapple, it's essentially eating you back when it contains enzyme bromelain which degrades meat. The day your work becomes important than your mood, no one can stop you from being successful. By APJ Abdul Kalam. At the height of his power, Pablo Escobar brought an estimate $420 million a week in revenue, supplied 80% of the world's cocaine, and smuggled 15 tons of cocaine into the US per day, which is tallest and largest Buddhist stupa in the world, that is Kesaria Stupa. India's biggest animal fair is in Sonepur. Where is world's first yoga university? Munger. Interesting life hacks that you should know. If you are on a long drive at night, listen to comedians while driving. It's impossible to fall asleep if you are laughing. When moving house, always set up your bedroom, make it bed first so when you are exhausted and just had enough, you can fall into bed. Nothing worse can being exhausted and having to make the bed before getting into it. Secretaries, tech supports, and janitors are the true power of an office. Make friends with them, and you will be able to get anything you need. Read the 3 and 4-star reviews for the most reliable information on Amazon items. If you want to learn a new language, figure out the 100 most frequently used words and start with them. Those words make up about 50% of everyday speech, and you should be a very solid basis. Terry Fox was a 21-year-old one-legged cancer patient who ran 3,339 miles across Canada in just 143 days before dying. Minimum age required to become Prime Minister of India is 25 years. Minimum age required to become President of India is 35 years. Minimum age required to be governor is 35 years. Minimum age required to become Vice President is 35 years. Minimum age required to become Chief Minister is 25 years. Rule number 1. Never tell anyone what you are doing until it's done. Coolest headquarters in the world. Apple. Amazon.